All right, y'all, what's the deal, man? It's JT back with another video. It's Saturday, August 16th at 10:58 in the morning. I promised on my last video I was gonna do a free giveaway of my course. Whoever gets the closest number to how much money I made yesterday. I haven't updated since about 6 p.m. yesterday. So let's go click on my last YouTube video. Go in the comment section. All right, let's see who gets free course, man. Let's log into my account at the same time. I haven't checked my account since 6 o'clock yesterday, so let's see where we at for today and yesterday. Go 6-digit code 801421. Let's see. All right, so at 11 in the morning we have 160. Yesterday we hit 889, close to 900. I thought we was gonna get damn near 1,000. I ain't gonna lie, but seems like it's a little slower day today. 160. I can see it being around, probably around 500 or something like that. I don't know. Hopefully it's around $1,000 again, but I haven't even made no post yet. As soon as I'm done with this YouTube video, I'm about to upload on TikTok and Instagram. Try to juice my numbers up around what it was yesterday. But let's see who is the closest to 889. I got 24 comments. I'm about to reply to everybody's comments too. Let me see. 880. Okay. Boom. We got one. 940. 850. Nope. 883. Damn, who closer? Oh, him. Okay, whoever you are, 360 STS. I'm about to reply to it. Say you won the course giveaway. What's your email? Let me just say congrats. I'm about to reply to everybody else's comments though as soon as I'm done making this video. But yeah, you got access to the course. Whoever you are, let me know what your email is. I'll shoot you over the login today. And yeah, 160 today, 889 yesterday. So far 7,071, almost 7,200 for the month. You refresh the screen, no camera tricks. 161. So when you buy the course, it comes with 9 videos, step-by-step training videos on how I'm able to get these results. And mind you, I don't even have to post every day. I could literally not post the rest of this month and I'm still gonna make hundreds a day. That's another thing I love about creating short form content. Once you put enough viral content out there, it'll just work on its own after that. But you definitely want to, especially once you start seeing success, you want to double down on it, what's working. But yeah, it's 9 videos in the training area. Got the tools and resources, got the step 1 through 7, affiliate funnel, account creation, research, scripting, recording, editing, and basically uploading, putting it all together. An actual live post. And it comes with a private Facebook group with over 100 members. Trying to see if I'm missing anything. Nope. I did just want to get this quick video out. Like I said, at the start of this video, if this is you, leave your email. I'll shoot you over the login. And I will update y'all later today and see what we end today with. But yeah, that's all I got for this video. Link to get access to the course will be in the description and the comment section down below. And I will see y'all in the next video.